Looking for the best teeth whitening kits? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 teeth whitening kits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Smile Titan Teeth Whitening Kit. In addition to 3 teeth whitening gel syringes, pre-filled with carbamide peroxide whitening gel, this kit contains universal fit teeth whitening tray and a 5x LED accelerator. Users love that the taste of the product is on the milder side. Unlike other whitening products on the market, this kit utilizes a milder whitening gel that doesn't leave a bad aftertaste in the mouth. Teeth whitening gel syringes come with some hang-ups, as some users found them difficult to use. Peroxide solution is on the weak side. At number 2. AuraGlow Deluxe Home Teeth Whitening System. In addition to whitening gel and a tray, this whitening kit includes an LED light device that speeds the process for a brighter smile. Built-in timer, which is 10 minutes, lets you know when each whitening session is complete. Backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Comes with batteries. A comprehensive whitening kit that has earned numerous happy customers for producing nice results. Despite the manufacturer's claims of gentle whitening, teeth sensitivity and gum irritation have occurred after use. At number 1. Snow At-Home Teeth Whitening All-in-One Kit. Utilizes LED light technology that's safe and effective. Device is easy to use and works in as little as 9 minutes per session. Kit includes whitening serum. Many customers rave about the results. Relatively user-friendly. An innovative LED light teeth whitening system that doesn't cause sensitivity and works well for most users, especially those pressed for time. May take a while for some users with tough stains to see results. Some people found the device to be a bit uncomfortable. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.